I'm not going to lie, it's really hard to shop for a TV if you're just going online or sometimes even in a store because they've optimized them with some kind of crazy video that you wouldn't really watch in your home. So the best way to do it is to bring them both in your home and figure out which one you like better. LG C2 OLED technology. And this one here is the Samsung QLED, which is the mini LED, the QN90BD. 75 inches versus 77 inches. You can see that Samsung's white background really pops. So if you like big, bright colors in a bright room like this, then maybe that's more important to you. Where the LG really excels is in the blue colors. I guess somebody who runs LG, their favorite colors, probably blue. There's blue hues around the whites on the LG that I personally see. It's hard to see on this camera or what you're viewing on, but you're going to see. I mean, these are pretty much true blacks. This is a test algorithm we're running right here. This is true black right now. And I can't really tell the difference between these two. So the blacks, they do really well. The contrast is excellent. But personally, I think the Samsung has a brighter picture, which may be better in a brighter room. Let's take a look and compare these two TVs and let me know which one you think is your favorite.